Suncast horizontal shed. This one, the 34 cubic feet version. They make two versions, a much bigger one and a more compact one. This one is the more compact, the 34 cubic feet one. The dimensions are here, the door opening, the interior dimension, and mostly important, the assembled size. The width is going to be 4 feet 5 inches, the depth is 2 feet 8.5 inches, and the height is 3 feet 9.5 inches high right here. So these are all the pieces that it comes with. You have one supporting bar here. You have this to open and hold up the lid. You have your tools and you're both included. You have the user manual. You will need to have glasses, gloves, a screwdriver, a mallet, and a leveler to help you level the surface area to install this. And the most important thing about the Suncast sheds are they have this. This is the floor for the shed, which is very important because I've used metal sheds before. They do not have the floor. The floor is perfect because it keeps the water from getting in, and even if you have rocks or stuff, it's a solid surface for the shed to build on. Then you have the pieces over here. This one is one of the sides of it right there. Beautiful design, lightweight but very sturdy, and you can see the thickness of the material right there. That's the inside. So you have this piece there, you got this side, the other one here, then you have the lid. This is the lid right here. So there we go. Oh, the texture is really nice on the lid. It's a solid lid. It's gonna go on top of the shed right here, and then you got the other ones right here. You got the doors in the front. These are the doors right here. And then you have the two, I think these are the back panels, either the side or the back panel. So yeah, all these pieces right here. It's not a lot of pieces to install, which is very impressive because I've installed other sheds before and they took a lot of time because there was a lot of pieces. This one, pretty straightforward, pretty simple. This one is going to be a perfect storage that's not too tall. That way you can put it in your backyard and it won't be visible from the other side of the fence. So really nice horizontal storage shed from Suncast, 34 cubic feet right here. Oh yeah.